Hello everybody, so in today's video I'm going to be telling y'all the best oils for making clear lip oils. These oils do not leave a tint in the lip oil, so it doesn't have that yellow or orangey shade. This is amazing. The number one oil here is liquid coconut oil. This oil is amazing for all lip care products. It moisturizes lips, keeps lips soft, absorbs quickly, and it provides moisture to heal dry and cracked lips, and helps calm and soothe inflamed or irritated lips. So this is amazing for clear lip oils. Not only is it clear, but it will give your lip oil texture a really nice, like lab-like product. This is amazing. I highly recommend liquid coconut oil. The second oil is a clear jojoba oil. This is a natural moisturizer and it forms a barrier over dry lips and leaves them soft and smooth. It keeps lips hydrated, protects lips from dryness, and is good for sensitive skin and soothes lips. I really like clear jojoba oil because it is all natural. It is natural. It's a natural moisturizer. So this is amazing for lip oils and will give your lip oil a more thicker texture, which I really like. Third oil I'm going to be talking about is grapeseed oil. The reason why I love this one so much is because it is lightweight and absorbs quickly. It also has amazing lip benefits. It conditions, moisturizes, and keeps lips soft. It is super moisturizing and a powerhouse for essential vitamins, and it protects your lips. So grapeseed oil is overall just such an amazing oil for lip oils, and it is quite amazing for beginners. If you're starting to formulate and you're a beginner, this is amazing. And yeah, you can pretty much get it anywhere. So yeah, highly recommend grapeseed oil. The fourth oil I'm going to be talking about is Applia oil. This oil has a slight, very faint light orange tint, but it will go away in the lip gloss and especially in the tube. But this brightens, moisturizes, and nourishes skin. Applia oil helps improve the skin tone and it maintains softness and radiance of the skin. So this will keep your lips an even tone and help make it like more shiny. This is why I love Applia oil. It is so beautiful and amazing on the lips. So highly recommend getting this for your clear lip oils. Last but not least is vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is a clear liquid made from vegetable oils and it is widely used in cosmetics. It is a quick relief for dry lips. It seals cracks and it easily absorbs into the top layer of your skin and creates a protective barrier. Glycerin is such an underrated product when it comes to lip oils, but this is amazing. Sometimes it can separate in the lip oils, but if you use a binding agent, it will fix it and get rid of that issue. But this feels so amazing on the lips. Y'all have to try it out yourself. This little bottle was only like $3, but yeah, this is amazing. Vegetable glycerin is definitely one of the best ingredients to use when it comes to making clear lip oils. Thank you so much for watching this video and watching it all the way to the end. Check out the beauty package on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube. Obviously, if you're on YouTube, you're watching the beauty package right now. But yeah, check out the website at thebeautypackage.com. If you're gonna buy something, use the code YouTube for 10% off your order. And subscribe if you want more content like this. And check out my lip oil playlist and all my other videos if you want more help in the lip oil business area. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.